Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. Firstly, you have to open the Intuit QuickBooks dashboard. Now you have to click on Transactions from the left column bar. In the Transaction section, you have to click on Recurring Transaction. Here you can see all your recurring transactions that QuickBooks has. Click on New on the right side of the page. Now you have to select the type of template to create the transaction type. Choose your transaction type, whether the bill, non-posting charge, check, or whatever. Let us select check and tap on OK. Now here is your recurring check. You have to add details to it. Enter your template name, and for example, I am trying here Harry. Now select the type as scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. Then enter the days you want to create in advance. After that, you have to choose a payee, or you can say customer. Then add cash and cash equivalents in the account section. After that, select the interval, start date, end date, and mailing address. Then you have to add a check number. Scroll down the page and in the tag section, add tags like sales, check, and more. Then enter the category as services and description, and after that, enter the amount. Then scroll it down and you can add a memo and any attachments also that you have. In the end, tap on Save Template and your recurring check will be saved. You can filter it as well to see all the scheduled lists of checks. From the Action section, you can edit it as well. That is how you can categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.